The saying goes that it's lucky when it rains on the day of your wedding. The thought is that when a knot gets wet, it's very difficult to undo. So when you tie the knot, on a rainy day, your marriage is just as hard to unravel. Well, guys, with this weather, you got nothing to worry about.
All the way back, at the beginning of this relationship, when they were each traveling on opposite ends of the world, Elizabeth's grandmother, Renee, remarked how extraordinary this relationship was, how strong the love and respect for each other, that at such young ages, they could have far-flung adventures apart and return home to slip back into their lives again, eager to share stories and plan their next journeys together. Her recognition of the inherent rightness of this relationship is so widely shared that some of their friends have long called them Mom and Dad. At this point in the wedding ceremony, the minister will often say something about the gravity of the step the bride and groom are about to take, what to expect in a marriage, and the level of commitment it requires. I don't feel those words are entirely necessary here. Elizabeth and Michael have displayed more commitment in their relationship thus far than many lifelong marriages contain.
I read once that a relationship should be like a base camp, where you both go to rest and prepare to tackle whatever mountains life brings. I thought that was so perfect for us because hiking, but also it's not something that we aspire to in our marriage. It's one of the best parts of us already. We're each other's biggest supporters, sources of comfort, and a place that we know we always have to just be. We build each other up, celebrate each other for each and every moment, no matter how big or small, and are always there for each other when a day has gotten the better of us. So I promise to always be your base camp every day for the rest of our lives together.
I promise to love you for who you are and for who you are yet to become. I promise to nurture your dreams and help you reach them. I promise to always be your personal comedian, partner in mischief and adventure, and to never take ourselves too seriously. I promise to always have an answer when you ask me what we're having for dinner. I promise to share my whole heart with you and to remember to show you how deeply I care for you, no matter the challenges that come our way, from now until forever.
I can't wait to continue to grow and climb all the reasonably sized mountains, but also stand on all life's peaks. I love you, and I love all the versions of you that I have yet to meet.
Elizabeth and Mike, I could go on for a very long time about how much I love you both, how perfect you two are for each other, and how I know your marriage is going to be full of so many new adventures.
Mike and Elizabeth have been together, committed, in love, living through all the ups and downs of life for 14 years. That's an incredible feat for any relationship. 14 years, and they're still here today saying, I want more.
I would like to raise a toast to the happy couple for a life of adventure and love.
I now formally pronounce Michael James Ward and Elizabeth Renee Golis to be husband and wife.